Hello, so today I'm going to explain about the project we did. It's a timetable management system. In this timetable management system, we can add the lecture details, student details, and subject details, and even the looking details. And we can print our own timetable, and we can even manage sessions. So the first part here, you can see there is lecture registration and then student registration, subject registration and tag registration, location registration, and the working day and hours, again statistic review and manage sessions. So if we go to lecture registration, here we can register a new lecture. So in the name I can give Mr. Vishal D'Silva, and this employee ID will be it has to be 6 digits, so 00004, and department you can give it as department, and compute for that will be computing, and center would be Maldives. Building we can choose as new building. Uh, so this level we can say what's its thing, so we can choose as lecturer. And if we save it, we will save. So we can see there is now you can see that you can see the first numbers 2, 1, 4, 5. The value is like this. It says the level. So you can see Y5, the lecturer in fifth. And professor will be 1, assistant will be 2, senior lecturer will be 3, senior lecturer will be 4, he's the head, senior lecturer will be 4, and then normal lecturer will be 5, assistant will be 6, and assistant will be 7. So that's what here. And then you can see the table, we have included everything here. So this we registered as the lecturer. For student registration, you can go here and then we can choose the academic year. So academic year now it's 2020. And you can select the semester and their programs. If you want to register, we have to register a semester program from here. This you can register your semester and the year, and program registration you can do here. So after once you do, it will automatically come to this list. So we can select 2020. And you can select one I2S1. You can select the departments. Let's say IT, and you can select the faculties. So computing, and then to group number you can just say uh, group number 3 is the group number. So the group ID will be generated. You can, if you go here, you can generate button. You can see Y2S1 ID03. How it creates is it gets of semester Y2S1 and the program IT and the group number 3. So imagine it's a big group, 100 people, and if you need a subgroups, so normally labs that can maximum can 50. 100 you need two groups. So what we do is you can say one. So group now one, how it comes, so you can generate it like this. Here you see it says in group 3 there is one. So yes, and then if you save it, save successfully. Okay, so and then next what we could do is so the student research is done, and then there you can update, and then you can edit, and then you can even delete. And if you go back and there's subject registration, you can do a subject registration here. You can select the year, okay, and then you can select for semesters. Then you can type a subject name. So subject name, let me go with so subject code will be SE 3050, and you can say the number of lecturers will be 2, number of lecturers will be 2, number of labors will be 1, the number of lecturers will also be like 1. Maybe to save here, even this you can edit, delete, update. So we saw the lecture registration, student registration, and subject registration. So tag registration, you can select the tags like this. You can register them lecture, tutorial, practical, and only 3 tags. So you can register that, and you can even edit, and then you can update it. So that's the registration. Location registration. Here, you can register building names. So you can see there is A, B, C block. So let's say B block, and you say building, and then you can say there will be building. So B block is here, and you have to choose B block here, and you go here, and you can say B 01, and you save room. So now you can see in this B block there is only B01. So if you go to new building, you can't see there is B01. There is only the one related to new building. So that's the relation I given here. So to check, you can go and you can check in like you can see the building we are facing. You can see B block is there. So that's what happens in location registration. And working day hours, you can set up your times here. So we have orderly I have set up to 8:30 to 5. I have set it the times. So normally you can say how many number of working days per week, and the working days are here. So you can add here. So and then you can give your time and you can add them here. So that's the part we have done here as working day hours and statistic preview. You can check the lecture statistics, how so 4 lectures are there and what are the lectures are here. Okay, and then if you go to student statistics, you can see the student count here registered here. All is 5, so first year students are 4 and second students are 1. So we have given the validation here. And if you go to subject statistics, you can see there's totally 5 subjects related to first year, second year, third year subjects have been registered here. And so this is many sessions. Let's go to many sessions C, and then here you can actually you can assign the lecturers to the time to their time and the lecturer hall and stuff, and then you can generate report with the lecture report and room report and which you can separately create timetable for lectures and room and students. So now for example, let's go select a lecturer first. So let's select and then we can select a subject and DS. So in this you can see when we select the subject, we automatically get subject code. So if you see IEM, you can see there's a code for that also. So let's select DS and our subject code is there. You can see what I want to do. So lecture, and you can select your room, and then you can select a group. So once you select the group, and you can select the time. So Tuesday 9:32, Monday 9:30, 10:30, and it's the number of slots also is save successfully. So here you can see, here you can even add more lecturers here. So you can add Mr. D. Silva and add lecturer. Okay. So you can add like more lecturers. So sometimes there can be a lecture and tutor both together. So you can add them, and then once you go to lecture report you have to select, go and select the lecture report you need. So once you select Professor Sumatipala, lecture report, you can see person is 9:30 on Monday 9:30 he has his lecture. And if you want a room report, you can go and select the Z You can select the room here, and then you can room report. On this room node, you can see the timetable. What are the subjects going to happen here? Okay. And if you want student report, you can go and select the group. So select Y this one here. Once you select the group, and if you go to the report, the group title will be there. So this is the main idea of this application. This application we made. It's a timetable management system. So I explained everything. So yes, thank you for listening.